Hey, welcome back, Math 8. So this one, roots of decimals and fractions, might sound confusing. In fact, when you look at these two examples, might even look confusing. But let me tell you, they're quite simple. Okay, so the first one, square root of 9 over 100. Let's break this down. We really are doing, what's the square root of 9? You'd probably go, well, that's 3. And then you'd go, well, what's the square root of 100? You'd go, well, that's 10. So our answer is just 3 over 10. Leave it as a fraction, and you're all fine. That's all there is to it. Okay, square root of 9 is 3, square root of 100 is 10. That's your fraction. Now, what about this one when it's a decimal? Again, looks a little confusing. Well, if we took the decimal out of there, what is the square root of 144? You'd go, oh, well, the square root of 144 is 12, and you'd be correct. So then, for the decimal, if I put, where would I need to put the decimal? What times what would equal 1? Okay, what times what would equal this? Or what gets you the closest to that? And you'd probably say, well, 1 would. So if 1 times 1 is 1, then the decimal has to go right after it. So your answer is 1.2. It's simply figuring out where the decimals go, and I will check your answers. Have a great day. Bye-bye.